Hey V Team, I'm here with another update on our response to the devastating hurricanes affecting Georgia, Florida, and North Carolina. In an effort to support relief and recovery efforts for both Hurricane Helene and Milton, the Verizon Foundation is donating a total of $2 million, with $1 million to the American Red Cross and the remaining $1 million directed to various regional organizations providing crucial services on the ground in the hardest hit areas, including $400,000 allocated to organizations in Florida for Hurricane Milton relief and $600,000 to support communities in Georgia and North Carolina affected by Hurricane Helene. If you're wondering how you can help, consider donating to V2V, our employee relief fund, to help fellow V-teamers who have been displaced by these storms. There are a variety of ways to donate, and we'll include the donation link in today's story. Every donation helps to support our V-Team in need. And a big thank you to our Verizon response team who's on the ground working tirelessly to bring areas of devastation the connection they need during this time. Here's how they're supporting these communities.
We're at the Plant City main conference room. That's where all the action is happening with our Emergency Operations Center. The challenges we're attacking is every challenge you can imagine with a storm of this magnitude. It started off with, having to navigate tree debris down power lines, flooded streets.
Each hurricane requires different solutions, whether it's a bison, big red, a satellite colt. Every single one has a specific problem they resolve.
Hurricane Helene and Hurricane Milton, the techs out here are moving assets around based on priority sites to be able to handle the amount of traffic.
All of our EOCs, there's dozens and dozens of hardworking individuals that are figuring out those complex problems.
We have a huge crew of people deploying portable generators. We have refueling operations, as well as all of our network assurance engineers fixing sites, calling all the site issues, and then we take that information and we deploy whatever we need to get the site operational.
So you need a portable there deployed?
People rely on their cell phones for critical communications. It's all hands on deck to get the network fixed and back to 100%.
I lost power and it was flooded inside our house. I was able to contact my family from out of state, let them know that I'm okay. It was perfect for me.
The way our network team and our EOCs are helping first responders is we're really putting that focus on making sure that we're supporting their search and rescue mission and that we're supporting that connectivity at their EOC levels so that they can run their staff and their boots on the ground. Whether it's a charging station, Wi-Fi, whether it's a satellite solution, they know they're going to be connected and they're going to be able to execute on their operation.
Big Red, that would provide 24 workstations either for fire, police, EMS, OEM type functions. It could also be used as a DRC for FEMA, Disaster Recovery Center, or it could be opened up as a community asset.
We're in Temple Terrace. We set up this camp to be able to help the local operations recover. This station area not only allows us to have all our assets in one place and deploy them to other areas as we need it. We have sleeping accommodations, we have showers, water, there are often fuel, meals. We are family, so at the end of the day, it feels really good just to come back to what is our second home.
We're just one big Verizon family, and you know what? We all have one goal, to keep our customers connected.